Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to add other story in your story without the mention. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram. Here, after opening your Instagram app, you'll be welcomed in the home page. Here, if you want to add someone's story and if they have tagged you, then you can easily post that story by going on their story and tapping on add to my story. But in the case where you're not mentioned, then you can click on the person's story that you want to post. Simply tap on the person's story that you want to post. Now here what we're going to do is take a screenshot of the story that you want to post. After taking the screenshot, go back. Now if you want to post the story without the name of the person that posted the story originally, then you can go and crop the picture. For now, I will not be cropping the picture, so I will be tapping on the your story option that is located on the left hand side. After that, select the picture that we recently took screenshot of. And after that, here you can adjust the picture to your liking, and you can also add mention to the person that originally posted this story by going on the stickers option and choosing the mention. And you can also write something about this post if you want to write. For now, I will be posting this on my story. Wait for some time, and as you can see, the story has been posted. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add other story on your story without the mentions. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.